and welcome to my channel. So to start this look off, I've already done my base and my eyebrows and I get straight into contouring. As you see with my contour, I do it normally, but then on the cheekbones I start to bring it down a little bit towards my chin. This is to make it look more like a skull and more hollowed out. I do this with a eyeshadow fluffy brush and then I go in with an oversized fluffy brush to blend it all out. When I'm doing this, I'm using a cool toned brown because it is the best shade for creating shadows. So I also put that around my jawline to contour my jawline as well, and then I go in with a darker brown and just to tidy up that line on the contour of my cheekbones. Once I've done that, I then start to hollow out my eyes, and I'm using that original brown that I used on my cheeks, and I'm just going around my eyes, but I'm making them a lot bigger than my natural eye sockets because I'm going to be creating some triangles in that hole, so I needed it to be a bit bigger than my actual eye socket. So just like the cheeks, once I've done that, I go in with a dark brown, near enough a black really, to really hollow it out and make it show. And again, I use a fluffy brush to do this. To tidy up that line around the eye socket, I get an angled eyeshadow brush and put it into a black eyeshadow and just tidy up the line and also really darken it up even more. I then do some more blending with a fluffy brush. I decided I wanted the line to be more crisp, so I put some concealer around it and a flat eyeshadow brush and just went along the line and really sharpened it up a little bit. I now do some contouring on the forehead and kind of make it look like there's two dents on either side of my head. Just like before, I use a cool toned brown to begin with and then I go darker and darker. Next, I'm using the Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black to do my winged eyeliner. To do the triangles underneath my eye, I use the Marianne On Point Black Waterproof Precision Eyeliner because, like it says, it is a very sharp point and has a lot of precision. So once I've done them and filled them in, I do two small triangles above my eyebrow and fill them in also. I'm sorry. So my camera stopped filming. I'm pretty sure the last bit you saw was me drawing on the triangles with my eyeliner, and then all I've done is added some hearts at the top and the bottom of the triangles, and then I've done kind of like a skull nose. Instead of making it like very kind of at the corners sharp here, I wanted to make it round because this is like a clown skull, so I did want to make it bit rounded like a clown nose as well, and I think I am going to go in with some red afterwards, but obviously you would know because you've seen. Moving down to the chest area, I get a white eyeliner, and this is by Marianne, but all I'm doing is sketching out a rib cage, but I say that very lightly because this is not meant to be a realistic rib cage, as you can tell. It's just kind of meant to resemble one a little bit and just go with the whole look. So once I've finished sketching the design out, I get a makeup wipe to tidy it up. And now it's time for the shading, and I basically do the same steps as what I did on the face. So I shade around the whole design on every side because I really want this to stand out on my chest, and I go in with a brown eyeshadow, and this one is the same eyeshadow but it might look a little bit warmer because my chest went really red on the areas that I was shading. So you can use any brown shadow if you want to, but once I've done the brown, I then go in with the black shadow to really define the whole thing. Then, just like what I did on the eyes, I get some foundation and just put it in to where the bones are to tidy up the whole line. Going back to the face, I start to draw the mouth, and I'm using the On Point eyeliner again, and I first start by drawing the lines outwards from my mouth to decide how long the mouth's going to be, and then I massively overdraw my lips with it. I then fill in up to where my natural lips are with that eyeliner, and then once I've done that, I then draw the lines that kind of represent the skull mouth over the lips. I then fill in the rest with the Urban Decay liquid lipstick in 714. I then get that lipstick and draw a circle on my nose and then go over the hearts that I had already drawn above and below my eyes. I follow that with some mascara and then some false eyelashes. To finish this look off, I put on my wig and style it, and then we are good to go. I really hope you like this tutorial. If you do, let me know by pressing the like button down below and leaving me a comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you do not want to miss any of my future Halloween tutorials, because I still have a lot to come on here. But if that is not enough and you need some more Halloween inspiration, then go ahead and follow my Instagram account, because I'm uploading a new look every day this October, so make sure you follow me on there. My name is @brooke.ellis_, and it will be linked in the description down below alongside all of the products that I've used in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!